Welcome to the future value of real estate and agribusiness. What Barletta has done is specialized with agribusiness owned and managed by the company itself.
Welcome to Barletta Holdings Limited. This is a company that is specializing on agribusiness, real estate, and indeed housing. The latest trend shows that the billionaires to emerge from the world will come from the aspect of agribusiness. And this is one of the avenues we are offering you as our client and indeed as an investor to also partake in this industry to become a billionaire in the making, if not one, in the near future. We've invested a lot in terms of state-of-the-art materials and technology.
I'm Kirago Elijah Kamoche. I'm working with Barletta Holdings Limited as a pest and disease management supervisor. And in greenhouse, we don't have much of pests and diseases because it's a controlled environment. And within that environment, we are able to detect pests and diseases early enough. We have scouters who walk around the houses checking for pests and diseases. Again, we use chemicals which are protective, like fungicides, which we have to use so that we can be in a position to curb with the diseases. We have foliars that are good in tomato production. They increase they help us in increasing the yields, and quality of the tomatoes.
My name is Benson Washira, Diaspora Manager. We are at the heart of Nanyuki Barletta Farm, where we have specialized with farming with greenhouses. We do local and international supply of our own produce with support of our able agronomist and marketing team. Join me as we venture in this journey. You dream it and you achieve it.